This is what controls the majority of humans on the planet. You guess what? Yeah, it is money.
Are you all my personal?
This is not meant you said you want abundance. It doesn't mean money is evil. You know as well as I do what great things you can do and how many people you can help with money. You can help with money. What this means is do not allow your decision to be controlled by money. Soothing something only on the factor of how much money is involved. You just made the wrong decision. What you will find is that when you follow your heart and you need with your intention to serve others, to give your best to others. Every single time when you follow your intention and truly give your soul, and the money will come, and it will come in far greater amounts than if you simply chase money for the sake of changing money. So challenge yourself to live the life. You want to live free from being controlled by anything. Find your freedom, live fully.